No le ayudamos.
We're walking through the forest here. Going to the waterfall. Say what's up. What's your name? Mambo? Mambo?
Oh, Flaco Mambo.
Flaco Mambo.
Hey, hay vinagre. Aleluya.
Y lo he hecho.
Oh, I need to hear. Walking through the forest. The waterfalls. Here we go. Also taking the trail seems to be this cow. He's chilling ahead of us. Cow is leading us to the waterfalls. Can't see him. There you go. They got a lot of wild animals in Dominican Republic. I've spotted one. See if I can get him on camera. Oh, there he is. That wild animal. He's eating in his natural habitat. Bruh. If I gotta keep climbing these damn steps, this waterfall better be nice. You can hear me breathing. They asked me that I want water. I said no. That was a wrong answer. If they request water, take it. Take it. It's like doing a stair climb. We're still walking. I think it's 20 minutes to the first one. Cow poo-poo. I'm not sure how the cows get up here, because this is no joke. It's no joke. As you can see, I'm still sweating. I'm gonna get 20,000 steps in. A long way. I hope that it's cool when we get here, but we're just walking.
Mi amigo Víctor está tumbando mango ahí fuertemente. Mira. ¡Ay! Wait. Mira eso, mi amor. Tumbadito de la mata. My people.
That's coming to the end, that's right. So where I'm at,
Welcome to my channel.
it's like winter, so I usually
This is the best way you eat
try to
mango.
lift and get bigger. And my cardio is bad because my mango, straight from the mango tree. Y'all know how I do this. The ladies love you when you eat that mango. Oh, he gave me another mango. They love it.
Ok, está viva. Y le dio la cámara ahí. All right, guys, do it. Hey.
Oh, that's just so.
Hey.
I told you it's cold.
Dale, argentino, dale.
It's a little cold. It's a little bit cold.
Vamos, dígale adiós a la cámara ahí. Hey, nítido. Damajagua Waterfall.
Yes, baby.
You can get in our video.
Sí.
Okay, we're cool. Yeah.
Dale, argentino, dale. Dile adiós a la cámara a la gente argentina ahí, que lo que. Activo aquí.
Un argentino.
Okay, say hello to the camera.
It's
Hey.
time to do this.
Slide down. Sit down here.
On this side.
Keep your elbows in. That's it.
This side.
All right. Say hello to the camera, buddy. Hey.
Bye.
Ok, vamos aquí. Adiós la cámara ahí.
Bye. Woo! Bye, my people.
You ready, brother? I can say bye.
Go, go. Vamos allá, vamos allá. Okay, now yes. How was it? How was it? Woo! Woo! Abrite la pierna. Todo bien, todo bien.
Bebí agua.
Eso es normal, eso es normal.
Eso no fue la sed.
In the middle, vamos. Let's do it. Yeah.
Yeah. Hallelujah.
You can do it, buddy. Hey! How was it?
Yes.
Dale.
Let's go.
Dale, dale. No tenga miedo.
That's okay. Hey, but you gotta jump far. No, you gotta jump far. Right there.
Dale, dale.
Come on, let's go. You got it. Let's go. Let's go.
Vamos, sí se puede, vamos.
Uno, dos, tres. Vamos. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Hey, just push. Should be all right. Let's go. Let's go.
Sí se puede, vamos.
Let's go. Yeah.
¡Hey! Sí se puede. ¿Cómo estuvo? ¿Cómo estuvo? No bebiste agua, no bebiste agua.
Bebí mucha agua.
Excelente. Dale, flaco.
¡Activa, mi gente! people, bienvenidos a mi canal. Hoy estamos aquí en los 27 charcos de Damajagua. Tienen que vivir esta aventura. Está en la República Dominicana, en Puerto Plata. Tengo allá detrás de la cámara al mejor, se llama Víctor. Así que cuando ustedes vengan aquí, pidan a Víctor o al Flaco Mambo, que ellos son los mejores. Miren la vista. Es preciosa.
Esto en vivo.
Y es una experiencia que todos deberían de vivir.
¡Vamos allá! ¡Ey! ¡Ey! ¡Woohoo! Ahora está cogido aquí.
Yes, sir.
¡Ey! How was it? How was it?
Fantastic. Fantastic.
Did you enjoy it?
Yes.
All right.
Love it. The water is fresco. Frío. Amazing.
Ok, 1, 2, 3. Nítido.
After the waterfalls, it's time to treat ourselves to some cold coconuts. 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 Coconut milk, baby.
Gracias. No, lo hice con esta. Un vaso necesito. Gracias. Muchas gracias.
Coconut, baby. What's your name? That's right. What's your name? ¿Cómo te llamas? Dao. Say what's up, Dao. Say what's up. Say what's up. ¿Qué lo que?